Them tell we say, come help we build up a country. Me end up a clean up bus, a sweep up street, a polish toilet more than me want teeth.
When they arrived in England, most Jamaicans never got a fancy job or a large sum of money. Instead, they were presented with the work that no one else wanted to do.
Why? We work day and night and can't get a bank loan. Landlord slam door in my face. Every time when me used to apply for a job, them say position fill. And them not even get to see me yet. So what me fi do?
Most found work in various sectors, including NHS, public transport and manufacturing.
But me never give up. You feel like sometime. Me use a little money when me save and open up a restaurant in a Brixton. Yes, oxtail and rice sell better than 9 to 5 paycheck. This is how real food look like. You can't get this nowhere else.